Alright, so let's talk about the opportunity to live for free, basically. It will require some capital upfront and a lot of labor. However, there's an interesting opportunity in the property market in Dublin right now. And let's just talk quickly about some of the disparities between renting and buying here and compare it to another market where I run a similar calculation in the past. So I did a calculation on a rental property in a small municipality in Sweden and found the margins to be basically razor thin for buying this, renting it out, not even living in the property myself, and it was basically a few hundred kroners of margin every month when you take the precautions for certain things such as 1,000 kroners for repair every month, and you put interest rates a little bit higher than it is today to guard for fluctuations. As we've seen right now, interest rates are going up, so that's a prudent thing to do, and some of these things. But I'm not going to go into the nitty-gritty. I'll just talk more about the opportunity in the Dublin market. In Dublin, there's a great disparity between the prices of property and renting. So if you rent and you want to rent a single apartment, just one room, one bathroom, and it's quite central, well, you're gonna get above 2,000 euros a month. And if you have a flatmate and you have a 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom apartment in good location, it's gonna cost you about 1,600 each, so 3,200 euros a month. And if you want to get cheaper, down to 1,300 per person, you have to go to the outskirts of Dublin, basically. So it's quite expensive to rent. However, in terms of buying, you can only take a mortgage of 4 times your annual income here. And this creates a fantastic opportunity because you can basically buy a property, have a flatmate, and that flatmate even giving a great friendly price to one co-worker or something like this, it can cover the whole mortgage, the whole interest payments, and give you extra euros to spare, to do renovations, fix up, make it more insulated. It's just running the calculation in Dublin to check for margins even allows you to live there yourself. So a fantastic opportunity in my opinion. However, the downside here is, of course, a lot of labor is required. There are not a lot of properties on the market here, and after getting my mortgage approved, I always take action. I have pinged 3 real estate agents and I only got the answer for 1 to go on a viewing to check out the apartment. And it will require some tenacity. I will have to follow up, be annoying, and keep sending emails until I can get viewings, until I can try to get in on the properties that are in the market. And apparently there's not a lot of bidding up the asking price. Apparently some even go below asking price, and in the past some would go for 7% above asking price when the market was a bit hotter, but now real estate agents see 4% above asking price in cases when the property is really popular. So clearly a buyer's market with a little caveat of low inventory, but definitely an interesting opportunity. And if you think about it with logic and you reason around it, well, then you find the opportunity to live for free, basically. Right? That's been my thoughts here on properties in Dublin. And as always, hope you make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.